Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever looked at the price tag of a high-end anti-aging cream and felt your blood pressure rise, you are not alone. We are often told that effective skincare requires a luxury budget, but the truth is that your kitchen and your home are already full of powerful, science-backed tools that can help future-proof your face. Today, we are diving into anti-aging hacks using unexpected everyday items. These are not old wives' tales, these are practical techniques that leverage cold therapy, antioxidants, and barrier protection to keep your skin resilient and radiant. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the humble metal spoon. You likely have a drawer full of them, but in the world of skincare, a cold stainless steel spoon is essentially a cryotherapy tool. As we age, our lymphatic drainage slows down, leading to puffiness, especially under the eyes. Here is how to use it. Place to clean metal spoons in the refrigerator, not the freezer, as you do not want to burn your delicate skin. In the morning, take them out and gently press the rounded backs of the spoons against the orbital bone. Under your eyes, glide them outwards towards your temples. The cold metal constricts blood vessels, effectively reducing redness and swelling, while the gliding motion encourages lymphatic drainage to depuff the area. It is an instant wake-up call for tired eyes, and it costs absolutely nothing. Next, we are going to raid the pantry for green tea. You probably know drinking it is good for you, but applying it topically is a game changer for aging skin. Green tea is packed with EGCG, a potent antioxidant that fights DNA damage from UV rays. Do not throw away your used tea bags. Instead, let them cool down completely. You can even chill them in the fridge. Place the damp, cool tea bags over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The caffeine shrinks blood vessels to reduce dark circles, and the tannins tighten the skin. For a full face treatment, brew a strong cup, let it cool, and use it as a toner. The antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that break down collagen, giving you a layer of protection against the environment. Our third item is something you might discard without a second thought, which is rice water. In many Asian cultures, rice water has been a beauty staple for centuries, known for keeping hair strong and skin porcelain smooth. It is rich in vitamins B and E, as well as minerals and amino acids that are essential for skin health. Next time you rinse rice for dinner, save that milky water. Let it ferment at room temperature for about 24 hours until it smells slightly sour. Then boil it to stop the fermentation and let it cool. Store it in the fridge. Use this nutrient-dense water as a facial mist or a gentle morning cleanser. The fermentation process produces Pitera, a compound found in very expensive skincare lines, which helps refine skin texture, fade dark spots, and boost elasticity over time. Now, let's move to the bedroom, not for a product, but for a textile switch. If you are sleeping on a standard cotton pillowcase, you might be accidentally ironing wrinkles into your face every night. Cotton is absorbent, meaning it pulls moisture and expensive night creams right off your skin. It also has a rougher texture at a microscopic level, which causes friction. The hack here is to switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. If you do not have one handy, you can improvise by wrapping your pillow in a silk scarf. The slip of the fabric ensures that your skin glides rather than drags when you move in your sleep. This prevents those vertical sleep lines that can eventually turn into permanent deep-set wrinkles. Plus, it helps your skin retain its natural moisture barrier overnight. Our final everyday item is pure honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin. As we age, our skin loses its ability to hold water, leading to that crepey, dry texture. Look for raw, unpasteurized honey. You can use it as a specialized face mask. Apply a thin layer over clean skin and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. It creates a moisture seal that hydrates deeply, without clogging pores. Unlike synthetic moisturizers that sit on top, honey supports the skin's healing processes and creates a glow that looks incredibly youthful. Rinse it off with warm water, and your skin will feel plump and soft immediately. Future-proofing your face does not always mean buying the newest bottle on the shelf. It is about understanding what your skin needs, which is hydration, cold therapy, antioxidant protection, and gentle care, and finding those solutions wherever they exist. Try incorporating one of these hacks into your routine this week and see how your skin responds. You might be surprised by the results. If you found these tips helpful, please make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest beauty insights. And I would love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these home hacks before? Or do you have a secret ingredient from your kitchen that you swear by? Leave a comment down below and let's share the knowledge. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.